imagine there.
This tree circle was planted by former Bear Tavern's teacher Jay Anglesby. We wanted to honor his legacy by making the outdoor learning area.
So here at Bear Tavern we use clusters for the grade levels and for teaching areas. And we now want to name this area here J Cluster, commemorating Jay Anglesby. The J Cluster.
I hereby officially open the J Cluster.
The WACA Club stands for
Wildlife Appreciation and Conservation Association.
We started working on a nature trail in the fall, and we cleared some of the woods, so now we have a nature trail.
It used to look like this, but now it looks like this.
We made signs that tell you about birds, poison ivy, and other phenomena.
The WACA Trail is officially now open.
Yay!
Said I can't go on, not in this way. I'm a dream that died by light of day. Gonna hold up half the sky and say, only I own it. And I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart underneath my skin. Oh, I can feel my heart beating. 'Cause you make me feel like I'm alive again. Alive again. Oh, you make me feel like I'm alive again. Turn your magic on, and you she'd say everything you want to dream away. Under this pressure, under this weight, we are diamonds taking shape. We are diamonds